Hi and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to properly set up a new client and assign team members to the client for better visibility and task coordination. Now, let's get started. So to create a client from the sidebar menu, click on the client option in here and click plus create client. Then you have to choose the entity classification. So under client type, choose whether corporation, sole prop, partnership, or whichever that applies. So for audit or non-audit, we have two options, audit and non-audit. So if you choose audit, the client will be eligible for audit engagement. If you choose non-audit, the audit module will not be applicable, okay? So let's do audit for this client. And under the special services provided to client, you'll see checkboxes for standard government compliances, BIR, SSS, HDMF, PhilHealth, and business registration. So these are all pre-checked by default. Feel free to uncheck any that are not applicable to the client because this helps generate the right folders for recurring tasks later on. So let us not touch this for this client. Next is you have to input client information under company name. You can type here JGD Corporation. You have to input two mandatory fields, company name and client start date. Let's assume this one started on May 1st. Okay, if you do not know the other details, you can leave it blank as these are not mandatory, but make sure to completely fill out the company name and client start date, okay? Next is if we scroll down, we have contact person information. So in this section, you can either fill this up at this point or do it later on because if you choose to fill up the contact person's email, an invite will be sent to their email so that they can have access to the platform, okay? So you can leave this blank for the moment and send invite to them later on when you are ready. After which you can scroll down. If everything is filled out, click on add client, okay? And that's it. You have successfully created a structured client record. Next step is to assign team members to the client. So still in the same client record, click on manage team on the top here and click add member on the upper right corner. So choose from your list of existing users which team members will be assigned to this client. Okay, so let's add them. Uh, okay, so now we have added um, the team members. You can either change here the roles for each one of them. Okay, so in here at the bottom there are the default assignees. So if for instance JGD Corporation under the client JGD Corporation, you can pre-select already who the preparer will be, who the first and second and approver will be, okay? Or you can just do preparer approver, it depends on your company, okay, or your firm. So let's do this one. And then first year reviewer will be the senior. Second will be Fanny, and next you will be the approver. Okay, so these are all auto saved by the way, okay? So no need to click any save button at this point. So yeah, that's it. You've now set up your client and assigned your team members for this specific client. So this is a foundational step that helps you stay organized, ensures accurate file access, and sets you up for a smoother audit engagement process. See you in the next tutorial.